Hey, this is Francisco Diaz. I'm a client over at JMS Consulting. I've been with them for, I'd say, maybe about 6, 7 months now, and I have a lot to say. Let me start off a little bit with my back history, which I have no shame in expressing. Um, when I was about 18 to 22 years old, I had really bad spending habits. I was taking out cards, I wasn't paying things back, I was taking out loans, I let things go to collections, and all of that stuff ended up biting me in the butt in the long run. I stopped doing all of that. However, anytime I wanted to take out a loan, I needed a credit card, I just wasn't getting approved. I was paying my bills. I was doing all the right things that I was told to do, but I was barely getting anywhere. I felt like I was swimming, but there was this huge wave just coming towards me. So a friend of mine recommended me JMS Consulting. I went there. I told them my history, same story that you're hearing right now, and they said we can do something for you. So I signed up for their program. I did a consultation. They told me how things are going to work out, and then every month things just started to happen faster and faster. Within a few months, I went from a credit score of like roughly like 550, 570, all the way to over 700. Again, I've only been with them for 7 months. My credit's fine. I have no collections whatsoever. I don't owe anything in my credit. My student loans have been paid off, but that's no longer in my history. So they were able to take off inquiries, collections, all of that stuff that I had back from the day. They were able to get rid of that, and that shot up my credit score ridiculously. So now I can actually do stuff with my life. And I even got my wife involved. She got her credit score to over 700. And lastly, I'm going for their business options. I know they have something where they can really help you with business. I'm a private business owner, and I really look forward to working with them. So this is a testimonial. This is truthful. You can check me out on Instagram. I'm a real person. If you have questions, reach out to me. But at the end of the day, thank you to them. I truly am in debt.